We are discussing very powerful. What jobs AI can't replace and what skills you should master to stay future proof. Okay, so hi ChatGPT. ChatGPT, can you tell me about jobs that AI will find hard to replace in the next 10 years?
Sure. Jobs that require high levels of creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex human interaction are likely to be hard for AI to replace. For example, creative professions like artists, writers, and designers rely on unique human imagination. Similarly, jobs in therapy, counseling, and other roles that depend on deep human empathy and trust are also challenging for AI to replicate. Also, leadership roles that require strategic decision making and interpersonal skills are areas where
Why is emotional intelligence so important in job that AI can't take over? What is the reason
emo-
behind that?
emotional intelligence is crucial because it involves understanding and managing emotions, both your own and others. This skill is essential in jobs that require empathy, effective communication, and relationship building. For example, therapists and counselors need to connect with clients on a deep emotional level to provide support and understanding. Similarly, leaders and managers must inspire and motivate their teams, which requires a high degree of emotional intelligence to navigate interpersonal dynamics effectively. AI lacks the ability to truly empathize or build trust the way humans do, which
Okay.
makes emo.
Okay, so the politicians are most safe. I'm joking.
Haha, you have a point. Politicians definitely rely heavily on interpersonal skills, empathy, and the ability to connect with people on a personal level.
True.
Those
Let's go for next question. Which creative fields are safest from AI automation?
creative fields that are safest from AI automation include those that require unique human expression and innovation. Here are a few examples. 1. Fine arts. Painting, sculpture, and other forms of visual arts involve personal creativity and interpretation that AI can't replicate. 2. Music composition. While AI can assist with music, the emotional depth and originality of human composers remain unmatched. 3. Creative writing. Literature, poetry, and storytelling require a unique voice and perspective that AI can't authentically create. 4. Film and video production. Directing, cinematography, and editing often require a human touch to tell compelling stories and evoke emotions. 5. Fashion design. Designing clothing and accessories requires innovation and a sense of style that is
So
deeply personal
basically
and cultural.
the fields which required innovation and leadership are safest from AI automation. That's what you want to say, no?
Exactly. Fields
Okay.
that require.
Thanks.
Exactly.
I understand clearly. Thanks. Now we will go to the fourth question. What about jobs that depend on human trust and connection? Can AI replace those?
Jobs that depend on human trust and connection are challenging for AI to replace because they require genuine empathy, understanding, and relationship building, which are uniquely human traits. Examples include therapists and counselors. They
Okay.
provide emotional.
Okay, got it. If someone
Glad.
Now let's go to the five question. If someone is 18 to 40 today, in between age of 18 to 40, what's the smartest skill they should focus on learning?
For someone aged 18 to 40, one of the smartest skills to focus on learning is critical thinking and problem solving. These skills are essential because they enable individuals to analyze information, make informed decisions, and adapt to new challenges. Additionally, skills like digital literacy, communication, and adaptability are also incredibly valuable in the AI era.
That's nice to talking with you. Let's give me these thing in a document form, and thank you for today's episode. We will connect tomorrow. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll prepare a document summarizing today's discussion.
So guys, here is the document about our discussion today. Jobs AI can't replace and what skill you should master to stay future proof. First question. Okay, I was. So from here, sure, job that require high level of creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex human interaction are likely to be hard for AI to replace. That is clearly you can read creative professional like artist, writer. Basically, the creativity and innovation and emotional intelligence are the main complex thing which AI can't gather. And my next question: why is emotional intelligence so important in job that AI can't take over? Okay. What is the reason behind that? Emotional intelligence is a crucial because involve understanding and managing emotions, both your own and others. So basically, the real relationship should be is a fundamental basics of emotions. So that's why AI can't replace that. So then I said that politicians are most safest. Yeah. So the ChatGPT is also agree on that. True. For next question, which creative fields are safest from AI automation? You can check out the field fine arts, music composition, creative writing, basically the innovation and emotional intelligence related field. The field which require innovation and leadership are the safest. Yeah, that's exactly what ChatGPT want to say. Okay. What about job that depend on human trust and connection? Can AI replace those? So basically, AI denied that therapist and counselor job can't be replaced with AI. If someone is between 18 to 40 today, what is the smartest skill they should focus on learning? So the smartest skill will be only left critical thinking and problem solving. So the basic daily doing works will be eliminated by AI automations, and the work which do not require innovation or critical thinking will be taken by AI. So guys, if you are doing some simple work or like entry type job or any other thing, so be aware AI is going to take your job surely. So you have to be a critical thinking thinker and a problem solving attitude always, and learn about how to think critically. That's nice to talking with you. Let's okay. This is the whole script. You can read out the answer. Okay, guys. Thank you. We will meet in episode 7. Thank you.